So today we will discuss SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language, and it is a standard language developed and used for accessing and modifying relational database. We already discussed what is relational database. It is a database which is represented in the form of tables, that is relation, which consists of rows and columns. Now there are two types of SQL commands. First one is DDL and another one is DML. DDL stands for Data Definition Language. These commands are used to create database and structure. For example, say create, alter, drop. So in using this command, you will create the tables. Now there is another type which is DML. It stands for Data Manipulation Language, and this type is used to perform operations based on rows. For example, say select, insert, delete, update. So you can fetch the record, you can insert record. So what is this? You are performing operations, and this is known as DML. Now there are different data types in MySQL. For example, say numeric, date and time, and string. So we'll see what are the numeric type. These are integer or int or small int. Whenever you want to deal with say decimal values, then you can use the float data type. Similarly, in case of date and time, if you want date say in the form of say y dash mm dash dd. So what do you mean by this? It is a year, say 2020 dash say month is 12 dash say date is 08. So this is what? Date. Similarly, you can get the time in this format. Then for a string data type, you can use char or varchar, and you can pass size as a parameter to that char or varchar function. So these are the data types in MySQL. Now we'll see how will you create or use MySQL. So for that, you will go to all apps, scroll down and search for MySQL, and in MySQL command line. Then command line will open. It will ask you to enter password. So enter the password. Now it is connected. I will reduce its size. Yes. Now, so first command is show databases. So say I am writing show databases. Enter. So it will return or show me what are the databases that are already available in my database. So these are the databases, DB1, DB2, education, MySQL, sample, etc. Now I will try to create new database. So create database MySQL, and we'll see what happens. So I am writing here create database what was that? MySchool. SCHOOL. So this is the way I created database. So it returned one row is affected. So database is created. So now deleting a database. So this is how you will delete database using drop and then database. So first I will check whether that database is created or not by using show databases command. So now see what is the name of my database. It is MySQL. See, MySQL is created here. Now what will I do? I will say delete sample database. So what is the command? You will say drop and then database. So I will say drop and name it, say I am passing sample. Okay. So first check whether the sample is there or not. Drop database name. Yeah, so it should be drop database and name of the database is sample. So now I will execute it. Yes, now it's okay and one row is affected. So this sample should be deleted. Now I will again type say show databases. Yes, and I will press enter. Now check whether sample is there or not. No, sample is not there. It means sample database is deleted. Now I will say I will use my school. It means now I will point to this database. So now that database is changed to my school. Now what will I do? I will say select show tables. So it will show what are the tables which are available in that database. There is no tables, so it returned empty string. Now I will say create table student. Okay, so it's better if I go and directly copy paste. So I created so it's I copy pasted it. So create table student, and this is first name, last name, wildcard, city and class. So the table is created. So now if I now execute say show tables, so it should show me one table, that is the name of the table is student in my school database. So it is showing me that table. Now I will see describe that student. So what do you mean by describing that table? No, it's not. Yeah. So describe table means it will describe the structure of the table, that it has how many, what are the fields, say last name, city, class, first name, these are the fields, these are the types, that is data types, and what is the key and other parameters. So this is how you will describe the table. Now I will see how to insert values in the table. So the syntax is insert into student values. So it should be I will remove that MySQL as it is printed twice. So insert into student and values are passed as like this. So last name, first name and city. No, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there is issue with the codes. I will type it. Insert into student values, and then we'll type here say Varsha, say Misha, then what is the next thing is city at say Mumbai, then say what is that class at say 12th, and then I'm printing like this. Yes, very good. So what was the issue? Issue was with this codes. When I was copy pasting, it is not copy pasted properly. See, both the codes are same, but when I typed it, the codes are inserted properly. So now one record is added. Again I am saying insert into student values, and now I am passing say other one, say Pita, C, city, C, or and class as 11. So this is about 2 records. So 2 records are inserted. Now I will try to fetch the record from student. Yes, so see Whatever the records that were inserted are now written from the student table. See, these are the two records. So there are two tuples in this table and there are four columns, that is four fields. So this represents the SQL table. So this is how you will execute the SQL commands. So this is the end of the session in which you learned executing SQL queries with the help of SQL command line. Have a great day.